Hola, bienvenidos to my channel. Yo me llamo Kelly and this is Adventures in Spanish. And if you're a home educating, world schooling or homeschooling parent and are looking for ways to help fund your lifestyle, then this video is for you. ¿Listo? Vamos! Okay, so I've been delivering Spanish lessons to the home education community since 2014. That's 10 years. In fact, Adventures in Spanish just celebrated our 10-year anniversary last month in April. And for me, anniversaries can be a time of reflection, and this was no different. So last month I was looking at how far I've come, from delivering those first Spanish lessons in a local village hall in Cheshire, to today delivering lessons to over 100 students a week, of all abilities and of all ages, online across the globe and in person. And to celebrate this fabulous milestone, I've launched Adventures in Spanish very own affiliate program. So what does this mean and how can it help you? Well, if you're one of the amazing parents who's already been referring and recommending Adventures in Spanish, muchísimas gracias, by the way, you can now be rewarded financially for your support. If you're already funding your home education or world schooling lifestyle with a passive or semi-passive income, you can become an affiliate of Adventures in Spanish and add us to your business portfolio. This year in particular, we've seen some incredible growth in Adventures in Spanish, and we now run 10 group Spanish classes a week with plans to expand in September. We're relaunching our online classes for adults and we'll be running more immersion trips in 2025. So as you can see, there's plenty going on. Despite this incredible growth though, there are still more people we can help. A lot of parents who find me tell me how they'd wish they'd found Adventures in Spanish sooner. Home educating families whose children want to learn Spanish but can't find the right tutor. Home ed families who want to learn Spanish but can't afford private lessons. World schooling families who want to dial into lessons from anywhere in the world. And families who want their children to be able to talk to native Spanish speakers, whether it be from Argentina, from Spain, Colombia or Mexico. And this is where you come in, to help us reach more people. So why would you affiliate with Adventures in Spanish? Well, we've been around for 10 years and we're well established in the home education and world schooling communities. We've got fabulous reviews on Google, on our website and on our Facebook page. And we take students on a journey. Lessons with us start as young as 6 years old and we provide support through GCSEs and A-levels all the way through to adults. Now, I actually know what I'm talking about. I wasn't born a native Spanish speaker. I learned Spanish at school and perfected my language skills during an epic 20-year adventure in South America. So I've experienced firsthand how to develop, learn a language. And I bring all of my experience to developing fun and engaging Spanish lessons, whilst at the same time including culture and tradition of different countries in the Spanish-speaking world. I also home educated my own children for 6 years, so I know what it's like. I know what it entails and how important it is to not only find the right kind of support for your child, but also to find ways to fund that lifestyle. So, as you can tell, I'm very excited to be launching this affiliate program and to be able to give even more back to the amazing home educating and world schooling community that I enjoyed being a part of myself. So if this sounds like something that you might be interested in, simply fill in the form on my website. You'll find the link below this video somewhere and apply to become an affiliate. I'll look out for your email and I look forward to working with you. Adios!